Linux redirection. That's what we'll be talking about in this video. What is Linux redirection and how can you use it? Linux redirection is simply a way to redirect the output of a command, maybe into a file or into another command, so as to pass the action of that command into the redirect. A simple example will be, let's say you in this directory, what do we have? We have quite some files, but let's say you want to go into the root directory, and in here we have a lot of stuff. Let's just see into the etc. See what we have here. We have a lot of stuff here, a lot of lines, and this is a good example. Now let's say the command we ran to get to this place. For example, let's go back into the root. Just please bear with me. We can see the content of the etc directory by just doing ls, just giving absolute paths. We are going to get all of this just from the root without us going into the etc directory. Fine. Also, we can see more info about this directory as well. Let me clear the screen. Another thing that I can do is that maybe this instruction we are only looking for sorry for the inconvenience, guys. The point I was trying to make is that this command lists out everything, but maybe we are looking for something something unique. Though we know about it, but it is in this directory. So what we just need to pass the output, like you can see at the top, that we got from this command. We need to redirect the output into another command that we search within the list and give us what we want. That's an example of redirection. So I'll just use the pipe command and then use the grep command. Grep is just to search. So in this search, we are looking for anything that has conf in it. Mind you, the etc directory is used to contain configuration files. So anything that has the extension of conf should print it out to us. So grep conf, I should hit enter, then you see this has been condensed out. Let's say I want to look for something else, anything that has OS. Enter, then I get this. Anything that has OS, then this. So you understand that? So the output of this command has been redirected into this command. So you get an output, then redirect it into this, then give us some function. This can be very, very useful, guys. And let's clear the screen. Let's restart what we have here. Okay, let's go into the root directory, and then what do we have here? Okay, we have some files. Let's say we want to create let's create another file. Let's call the file redirect.txt, or we might not even create a file right from start. Let's say I want to redirect an output of a command. be it an error or be it, no, let's just start with a normal output. Let's say uptime, and I want to redirect the output. If I should run uptime, you get the uptime of the machine, but this output I want to save it into a file. Basically I want to redirect the output into a file. I can just say uptime, then forward slash greater than, sorry, then I'll give the path of the file. Let's say I want the path to be in this directory. I can just give the name, and I can just create a name. The file is not existing, but by doing this it's going to create the file and put the output inside the file, redirect.txt. So enter, then ls. Now you can see redirect.txt, and if we should look into the file, then you can see the uptime at that time. That's one way. Another thing that you can do is that if you notice I used greater than, which is this. Greater than sign means replace everything in this file, replace it with the output coming from here. So everything here will replace, every output coming out of this command will replace everything in this file. But what if I don't want to replace everything? Let's say I want to add another line. I can just do greater than, then let's use another command. In this case, let's just use who am I. Then let's see the content again. Now you can see this, the first one, uptime, who am I, root. So that is redirection. However, if there is an error, this command will not work, and it's not even going to print the error. It's not going to redirect the error into the air. It will only print it to the screen. See, this is the error message. But what if I want the error and everything to go into this redirection? Then I'll use ampersand. This is little, guys, but it's very, very useful. Can you see? This is the third one. So it's very, very useful, especially if you are a sysadmin that will be writing script and you want to redirect the output of the script into a log file for you to be able to see at a later time. Then this kind of redirection is so important. All right. There are several ways to do this thing, guys. Several ways, but piping and ampersand, greater than are the most common ones to redirect an output. And let's use another one. Okay, I think that's it in the end of this video, guys.